Good morning, my dear students. I am S.K. Tiwari from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar, with topic and explanation from lesson 1 for standard 8. I have taught you that industrial revolution occurred or took place in England in year 1750 AD or in the mid of 18th century. After it was spread throughout the world, the industrial revolution spread the system of capitalism and imperialism. Now I want to make explanation of three terms. These are socialism, capitalism and imperialism. What is the meaning of socialism? Socialism is a system. Socialism is a system in which national property belongs to every citizen. Do you get clear view? Socialism is a system in which national property belongs to every citizen. After that, here I want to make explanation over capitalism. What is the meaning of capitalism? Capitalism is also an economic system under which production and distribution of goods are controlled by few wealthy persons, and in this system capitalists made profits for themselves. They didn't mind for the workers. There is no share for the workers in the system. So this system in which only capitalists play vital role and they get profit directly in his hand, this system is known as capitalism. And after that I want to make explanation of imperialism or colonialism. Imperialism and colonialism is also a system, and at first I want to make explanation of imperialism. Imperialism has come out from a Latin word emporium. Emporium. The meaning of emporium is power, strength, capacity. So imperialism is a system under which the rulers spread his area of kingdom through their power and capacity. In such system, they also capture over other territories, and such systems were adopted at first by Britain, France, USA, Belgium as well as Japan. So today I have taught you about the three systems. One is known as socialism, another is known as capitalism, and next one is known as imperialism or colonialism. And that's all for today, and next day I shall start another subject. and you will write at home what is the meaning of socialism, capitalism and imperialism. That's all.